Yeah. Okay. So, uh, can any of you could explain me the general procedure of solving Thanon's step? I would be highlighting where you have to uh, modify or change while dealing with your dependent. Okay, what is the first step we do while solving any Thevenin's theorem? Anyone? Are you out there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, everyone has studied Thevenin's theorem, right? Tell me the first step, what you solve it. What you find? First of all, what you find? Let's take this as an example. Okay, this is example. You have to find. This is R1, R2, R3, R4. You have to find current across this. You have to find I across this. So what is the first step you will be considering? Tell me.
Sir, first R3 is opened.
Means the segment considered resistance
R-
should be is open. Okay. Okay. While I'm following procedure of this. Okay. I3 is open. Fine. Next.
Then, sir, sir, volt source is short circuited.
Okay. Voltage is short circuited. Why you are doing short circuit?
Because, sir, sir,
Fine.
because of so volt source has an infinite resistance. No, sir.
Fine. In this procedure to find equivalent resistance,
I,
right?
yes, sir.
Yeah. Equivalent resistance to find equivalent resistance. Good. Then third one is
Then, sir, third one is, then we find equivalent resistance. Then, sir, we find voltage across that load, sir.
okay. Then we will find VTH,
Yes,
Thevenin's
sir. Voltage, sir.
voltage, right?
Yes,
This
sir.
is the three procedure. Then thereafter
We use the formula, sir.
yeah. Then after what we get is your VTH, your RTH, and thereafter this is your R3, right?
Yes, sir.
This is how you will be solving. This is how you would be finding, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Better. Now, what if there is this? If consider if you have let's take it is your v by 2. What you have, what will do if it has dependent sources in it? What step would you consider? Okay, this part is right, this segment is right, and there is only independent source, right? What if you have one dependent source in it? So let me name it again. Yeah, anyone could tell me? Just think where we would be making changes in it. What will be the impact if this is there in it? Anyone could say that? Try. What the procedures are same. Okay, the procedure would be same. Okay, these are the procedures, right? Sorry. Sorry. Yeah. These are the procedures. The actual procedures are these things. Okay, what will be the extra steps what you have to solve whenever one this is being included in this, right? That's Thevenin's will contain a dependence, or even Norton contains any dependent source in it. What will be the change what you would be seeing in it?
Sir, voltage source will be replaced.
Okay, what you will be replacing that? Speak. So whatever you seek or whatever you understand, you speak. Until unless you speak, only me speaking from this end will not work. Okay, because you have to practice, or until unless you will not come up with your ideas, you will not able to solve, because I will be solving one and then you have to again solve. Okay, I know many don't solve until unless there is examinations, so it's better let's be only one numerical itself, but will clear all the concept over here. So one boy has told about the source, voltage source. Okay, as independent sources are there, so what we generally do, we short circuit it, right? But you can't do the dependent source. You generally can't short circuit this part. Okay, it will be there in the picture. So what we'll do again, ideal voltage source or independent voltage source are being short circuited and removed in the picture whenever we calculate the resistance. Okay, but for a dependent source you cannot remove. Okay, the reason is because this your ideal voltage source has uh, uh, your zero resistance, where an ideal current source has your infinite resistance. Okay, but your this segment, okay, this segment, your dependent source, they have both, they both have your infinite resistance in this. Okay, for dependent sources, okay, they both have infinite resistance. Okay. Hence they are also need to be considered while calculating Thevenin's theorem. So it should be considered. Now So this would be short circuited, right? While solving this, but for this segment we cannot do anything. Okay, now let's reduce. So few things what I have told is your first point, voltage source has your zero resistance, current source has your infinity resistance, right? So we do short circuit ending. Third is your dependent sources. Okay, both current or volt have your infinite resistance. Okay, so this would be considered, be it current dependent source or voltage dependent source, so this would be considered while solving. So these 3 points you have to keep in mind. It may be asked in any of the form in anywhere. Okay, why it is be not considered. Logic you don't require to have a solving, only any some of the places you have to keen about this. Okay, so mm, hello, hello,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm audible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just responding because I sometimes feel that I'm not where I was at. Yeah.